Today, we're diving into some exciting updates about Instagram Reels and how these changes can impact your family's online experience. Welcome back to Clean Router channel. With 15 years of protecting families online, here at Clean Technology, we love keeping families safe online. Make sure you check us out at cleanrouter.com. Instagram Reels has recently introduced Multitrack support, allowing users to add up to 20 different audio tracks to their videos. This feature can significantly enhance creativity, making content more engaging and dynamic. Imagine the possibilities for fun, family-friendly content creation. However, with these new tools come new responsibilities, especially when it comes to ensuring that the content remains safe for all viewers. As you explore these new features on Instagram, it's crucial to have a trusted partner like Clean Router to safeguard your family's online activities. Clean Router provides robust filtering and monitoring tools, ensuring that your children are protected from inappropriate content. We understand that while creativity is important, safety must always come first. Our technology has been helping families navigate the digital world safely for over 15 years. What do you think about these new multi-track features on Instagram Reels? Do they make you excited to create more varied content with your family? Remember, while these tools are fun, they can also expose your children to potential risks if not properly managed. Clean Router is here to help you balance fun and safety, giving you peace of mind as your family explores new digital horizons. As we celebrate 15 years of protecting families online, we're proud to continue evolving with the digital landscape. Instagram Reels multi-track support is just one example of how social media platforms are becoming more sophisticated. But no matter how advanced these platforms get, Clean Router remains committed to keeping your family's online experience safe and enjoyable. Thank you for tuning into the Clean Router channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on how we're working to protect your family online.
Do you know what your kids are looking at on the internet? Now you can with the Clean Router. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. The Clean Router allows parents to easily manage all devices in your home and stop internet pornography. It controls everything connected to your home Wi-Fi. The time restriction tool makes it easy to set when they are allowed to have internet access. Let the Clean Router help you enforce bedtimes, homework sessions, and quiet hours. Manage your kids' internet from anywhere on the go with parental controls on your phone. The Clean Router is simple to install and easy to use. The 7-layer IntelliFilters keep your kids safe. It logs all the activities per device in an emailed report. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. Get yours at cleanrouter.com today.